Well, good morning, girls. It's Mariah, and today it is all about the great closet clean out. Now, January is here, and if you're like me, I'm kind of hunkered down. I kind of start doing little house projects and things like that. And one thing that I always love to do is really kind of clean out my closet, get it organized, and it's just kind of part of the new year. New year, new closet, right? Well, I know I've done a closet tutorial for you before, but I think that I've got some new ideas, kind of re-inspire you or remind you of some things that I think could be super helpful to kind of get your closet in tip-top shape. So let's get started. Well, the first thing that I think every girl needs, and this is the most extreme, but I promise you won't regret it, is a rolling rack. Now, a rolling rack is going to be so helpful because it literally gives you a huge working space. So as you take out all your sweaters, you can put them on the rolling rack, you can sort through them, figure out what you love, you can put them in color order and sleeve order, and then it's really easy to just grab it off the rack and put it back in your closet. Now, a really good rolling rack should only cost you maybe around $100. And I will tell you, you can use it as a coat closet for parties that you have. You can use it to help you pack for a trip. It's a great way to use as like extra storage if you just want to store some stuff on it and keep it like in your garage or something like that. They collapse down flat and you can put it under your bed or under your couch, but I promise you it is going to be instrumental in helping you clean out your closet. So definitely think about investing in a rolling rack or borrowing one from a friend. The next thing I think you should definitely have on hand is get a shopping list ready. Now, I use my smartphone for the list because let's face it, it's always with me, and that way if I'm at Target or at Costco and I know I need more hangers or a storage bin for scarves or I need to replace my white blouse, I've got my shopping list here with me. And you know, as you clean through, you might go, oh my gosh, that's my favorite black turtleneck and I didn't even notice it had a huge hole in it, or whatever it might be. So then you can just create that shopping list while you clean and organize. I also think with that too, you may want to keep a measuring tape, because if you need to measure, figure out how much hanger space you have, where you need a storage bin, a measuring tape is really great to keep on hand as well. Well, the other thing that I insist you guys buy and invest in is the felt hangers. Girls, I promise you, it will revolutionize your closet. These are thin, they're lightweight, you can get them very inexpensive. I usually buy mine at Costco, I usually grab them on sale. It's a giant box, but everything is going to be clean and uniformed. It's just really sort of a little bit chaotic and a lot on the senses when you've got a wire hanger and a plastic hanger and a wood hanger and they're 12 different colors, and just visually it's kind of a lot for you to take in when you're already there trying to kind of focus on what you want to wear that day or where your favorite purple blouse is. So changing everything to a uniform hanger is so much better for your closet. So it doesn't have to be the felt hangers, but I will say I love them and I can't imagine going back. My husband switched over. We're believers. My girls' closets are done in the felt hangers. I just love them. And last but not least, now that you've got kind of tools, you need a good playlist. So make sure you find your favorite radio station, get a playlist going on your phone, because I always think that music makes every little project kind of happier and more fun. So that's just a little inside tip and trick, is just get some happy music going. Okay, the next thing you're gonna do is now it's time to dive in, right? We are going to make 3 piles. The 3 piles you're going to have is a resale pile. So if you wanna bring in some clothes to second story to resell because you're just not wearing them anymore, but they're still in great condition, we're gonna make a donate pile. So again, maybe these are things that they're not quite right for a resale, but definitely someone could use them. We're gonna make a donate pile, and then you're gonna make a like repair/dry cleaning pile. So again, maybe it's that black jacket, you've been wanting to wear it, but the button popped off, so just make a pile of, you know, repair/dry cleaning. Of course, there's gonna be a keep pile, but that's everything that's going back into your closet. So as soon as you kind of figure out those designated areas, it's gonna help you to stay a little bit more tidy and organized as this huge process unfolds. The next thing you wanna do is you're gonna start organizing. What I would suggest is pick one category and go from there. And again, you don't have to do your whole closet in one day, but just say, today I'm going to do all of my tops. So what I would do is take out all of your tops, let's get them on the rolling rack, and again, you may have to do it in batches, but then let's get them sorted through. Like, gosh, I have 20 black shirts, and the ones that I wear the most are these, you know, 6. So, you know, you can edit out the ones that you're not wearing anymore. You can go, gosh, these 3 are kind of identical, and I'm not wearing any of them except for this one. So you wanna kind of sort it by category. Then before you put them back into your closet, I always recommend sorting by sleeve length and color. So in my closet, all of my black shirts are together, and it goes from like a sleeveless tank top all the way up to, you know, like a chunky black sweater. So I keep all of my black together, and that way in the morning when I'm getting dressed, I know if I want to wear a black shirt, I go right to that section. It makes it easy for when you do your laundry and you're putting it all away, you know right where everything's gonna go. So it's a really, really easy method. The other thing that I would consider is really thinking outside of the box as far as when you kind of sort it through and figure out what you're keeping, how you might kind of hang things differently. Maybe you can kind of reorganize your shelves. Maybe your shoes have been there, but maybe it makes more sense to do just some great storage baskets. I definitely have started doing a lot more storage baskets. For me, one thing that I realized this year is that my sort of workout clothes, my t-shirts, my leggings, things like that, they were taking up really valuable space in my dressers and hanging in my closet, and I don't need them to be there. So what I did is I got a really big storage bin, and I just basically put all of my workout clothes in there, and it makes it really easy in the morning to just pull out that little storage bin, go through, grab it, and I'm good to go. The other thing that I definitely have started doing as far as utilizing storage bins and drawers is I've really started folding my clothes completely differently. What I used to be, oops, legging down, is I used to take leggings and I would just fold them, and you know, we have like dozens of leggings, right? So I would stack them up and there would be like 4 or 5, and then I'm digging through my drawer, I can't see them. So what I've done is I've actually started rolling my leggings. So if you want, and again, you could do this with t-shirts, you could do this with your blue jeans, but what you're gonna do is just roll this up, and then you're going to stack it in your drawer, or again, it could be a basket. You're going to stack them sort of all the way up. And what is great about this is that then you can be like, oh, that's my turquoise and black and red legging, perfect. And then maybe my Spanx leggings are here. But it allows you to kind of visually see all of your leggings, all of your t-shirts, whatever it might be, in one spot instead of them being stacked deep. So they also stay really neat and tidy, and it's just a really good way to kind of see what you have, because it's so easy to forget about what you have. So definitely think about sort of repurposing things. Another thing that I did is I always had my denim folded down. Well, when I kind of reorganized my closet, I had room to hang my denim, and that's working better for me. I can see it more, I'm wearing more of my different styles. So again, don't think that just the way it's been is the way it has to be. It might be better to kind of really switch it up. We see that all the time in Loretta just by remerchandising things. It's like, gosh, you know, I put this blue shirt here, no one's really trying it on. All of a sudden I move the store around and I put the blue shirt somewhere else and you guys gobble it up. So, you know, it's good for you too to just kind of re-stimulate your mind on what's in your closet and what you have. So don't be afraid to completely change up the layout and kind of the map of your closet. Well, one other little tip that I have too is to take some of your off-season stuff or like your holiday collection and just put it in a different closet. A lot of us do have to use a guest bedroom closet or storage bins or whatever, but you know, if you've got some great little cocktail dresses, some sassy little high heels, again, they're beautiful clothes, but the reality is you're probably not wearing them that much. Certainly right now, if it's a bunch of sundresses and things like that, I'm not wearing those. So for me, I'm either gonna shove them all the way to the very back of my closet, and I'll kind of flip things back around when the, you know, warmer weather comes. But like my holiday stuff, I don't need this right now. Holidays have come and gone. I don't have another wedding coming up for a couple months. So, you know, I'm just gonna get this out of the way. And then again, when I'm getting dressed in the morning, it's my normal kind of Monday through Friday clothes that I'm reaching for and I can see. It's all just such valuable real estate. The closet can be an overwhelming space, so you just want it to be as clean, as organized, as tidy as possible. And I assure you that if you try all of these different tips and tricks, your closet is going to be such a happy place for you to go and shop all the time. Well, in the meantime, the winter clearance is continuing at Loretta. So again, if you've got that wish list, if there's items you're needing, I would definitely pop in and come see us. If you need resources as far as where to buy rolling racks or you know, containers and storage bins, we're happy to help you with all that as well. So we look forward to seeing you at Loretta, and I can't wait to hear about all your clean closets. Bye, girls.